Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today I will help you out by showing you how to get the Elytra in Minecraft. As you can see, we're about to fly into an end city, which this is actually a tiny one. Usually they are much bigger than this. First thing you want to do is locate one of these structures, and don't look at the Enderman. Then what you want to do is make your way over to the end ship that is right over there. It should always be there. There's like a 60% chance, I think, of it spawning within the end city. If it's not, you're just unlucky and you'll have to find another one. So what you want to do is make your way onto it like that. Of course you can only do this with the Elytra, but you get the idea. This one I don't think is looted because I haven't been here before. Just make sure to eliminate the shulker like that. Get the shulker shell because it's gonna come in handy for the shulker box. Loot the chest, whatever you want. I don't really need any of this. I'll take the emeralds, I guess, and the iron. But we're here, of course, for the Elytra. So this thing should give you the Sky's the Limit achievement as well. And just like that, you can collect it. You can collect the healing potions if you want, but they're not that good, to be honest. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is to this video. If we could help you out, please consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye.